FRANCO IRACE Design. The smart kitchens born in USA. Constructors. Stainless Steel Kitchens Corporation is the exclusive factory direct distributor of the FRANCO IRACE Design products. The FRANCO IRACE Design products are unique in the world and have pending USA patents, protected in 96 countries around the world, including the first ever household stainless steel kitchens. The invention has been oriented to resolve most of your problems associated with kitchen cabinets. By using the latest and most advanced laser technology of our manufacturing company, we manage to offer you everlasting cabinets, substantially reduce stainless steel cabinets costs while maintaining high-quality material, reduce assembly and installation time with our hand interlocking system, deliver the most precise and elegant finishes in stainless steel cabinetry, guarantee delivery from our permanent inventory directly from the manufacturer to the constructors. The FRANCO IRACE Design products are manufactured 100% in the USA and offer a wide variety of colors and textures to provide a modern, contemporary look to satisfy your customers' needs. Stainless Steel Kitchens Corporation offers you a wide variety of products including indoor kitchens, outdoor kitchens, grills, kitchenettes, vanities, and more. Stainless Steel Kitchens Corporation offers you complete assembly and installation service nationwide, as well as a 25-year warranty of our products. FRANCO IRACE Design. The smart kitchens born in USA.